Welcome back to our channel, everyone. In today's video, we will be discussing an important topic that every website owner and marketer should be aware of: website traffic and the impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on it. Let's dive right in and explore the key points together. Website traffic refers to the number of visitors or users who visit a website within a specific time frame. Higher website traffic can lead to increased brand exposure, more potential customers, and ultimately, more sales or conversions. AI enables personalized user experiences by analyzing user behavior and preferences. It tailors content, recommendations, and overall website experience to each individual visitor. This personalized approach increases user engagement and retention, ultimately driving more traffic to the website. AI has revolutionized SEO by helping websites rank higher on search engine result pages. AI algorithms analyze search trends, user intent, and content quality, enabling website owners to optimize their sites for better search engine rankings. Higher rankings mean increased visibility and more organic traffic. AI algorithms can generate written content, such as articles and product descriptions, at an impressive speed. AI-powered content curation tools analyze vast amounts of data and user preferences to curate relevant and engaging content for website visitors. This curated content attracts and retains more traffic. AI-powered chatbots offer instant assistance to website visitors and customers. These chatbots use natural language processing and machine learning to understand and respond to user queries. By providing instant support and resolving issues, chatbots improve the overall user experience, leading to higher customer satisfaction and increased website traffic. Artificial intelligence, AI, can have both positive and negative impacts on websites. While AI technologies offer several benefits, they can also present some challenges. Here are some potential negative impacts of AI on websites. AI automation has the potential to replace certain job roles, leading to unemployment or job displacement for workers. For example, AI-powered chatbots or customer service systems may replace human customer support agents, impacting employment opportunities in those fields. Artificial intelligence, AI, can have numerous positive impacts on websites. AI can analyze user data, preferences, and behavior to provide personalized website experiences. It can recommend relevant content, products, or services based on individual user interests, increasing engagement and conversions. In conclusion, AI has had a significant impact on website traffic generation and optimization. It enables personalized user experiences, improves search engine rankings through SEO strategies, aids in content creation and curation, provides efficient customer support through chatbots, offers valuable data analysis and insights, enhances ad targeting, and optimizes websites for voice search. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.